Oh my gosh, babe.
What?
Do you wanna go here? Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
So, welcome to another vlog! Sobrang excited ka because where are we going, babe? We're going to
Narita.
Tokyo kasi. We're going to Tokyo! So, it's our first time in Japan. One of our dream destinations to. We wanted to go to Japan last year. Pero same time last year, we went to US. So, syempre unahin natin yung US kasi trabaho yun. For some reason, hindi kami maka-apply throughout this year. Kasi nga, ang daming ganap, ang daming kailangan alis, ganyan. So, hindi ko maiwan yung passport. But finally, we DIY'd our Japan visa application sa KVAC in QC. And ayun, we were given multiple entry for 5 years. And sabi ko, since we can't leave before 11/11, let's leave after. So this is our anniversary trip. We made a promise na every year for our anniversary, we're gonna go somewhere.
Talaga?
Oo, ano talaga? Pero yun, so I decided na Tokyo na lang muna kasi parang they said na sa Tokyo mas ma-mall, mas city vibe kasi Osaka daw medyo mas cultural, ganun. Or correct me if I'm wrong. But since kasama natin si Mikey, dun tayo sa medyo city, sa may gym, mga ganyan. Ayan, I'm so excited. Hindi ako nakatulog kanina, guys. Like, I finished packing. Well, mga 2 a.m. na. And then we had to leave 4:30. So, hindi na ako natulog. Tapos nag-plan out na ako ng itinerary. When we get there, our flight is at 7:40 a.m. Boarding is at 6:55. So, kakain muna kami kasi gutom na ako. And then we land in Tokyo, mga 12 noon. Guys, I cannot. Meron na talaga like 7 stops na kagad yun.
Mamaya?
No, kasi hindi pa tayo makaka-check-in. So, pagka natin kakain tayo ng famous na tonkatsu, then we're gonna have matcha, and then we're gonna go GU, and then let's go Uniqlo, and then Onitsuka, and then Uggs, and then a mall. So, are you ready for this?
Sige.
Pero magkakalapit lang yun. But we're gonna be in Japan, babe. Ikaw ang excitement ko. I'm really excited for this. Okay, I'm gonna eat first. Kasi hindi ko na makontain eh. Nagising na naman ako. But again, guys, sa ZTip, apply for a credit card that has miles redemption kasi nakapag-redeem kami na naman ng miles. Diba? So, your flight is for free.
Talaga?
Oo, so you paid for the hotel.
Business class?
Oo, business class. Anyway, I'm gonna eat.
On my mind lately, and I can't get you off to save my life, baby. Well, I guess this here is a love that's unrequited. What might it be if you let me in? I guess until then, you'll be on my mind.
Kisses. When we took off, tulog kami ni Mikey like look at him. This is the first time I slept the entire flight. We only have 30 minutes left. And 4 hours straight, guys. Tulog lang ako. That's something new kasi I don't know, for some reason, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety with flying. Hindi ko tinatanggal yung headphones ko kasi parang takot talaga ako. So, I'm gonna freshen up. But may makeup ako eh, pero naka-car na lang later. But yeah, we're in Japan. The weather now is 17 degrees. So, I'm so excited.
I don't mean to sound so dramatic, but there's something that you do. It's got me feeling like an ecstatic. I'm feeling for a lifetime with you. Ooh, when you talk like that, but it just me mad. This is once in a lifetime.
Okay guys, so ito, yan lang yung may laman. Itong tatlo, walang laman at all.
Baby, I need a little thing to take me off that edge.
Okay, so we made it through immigration and customs check. So apparently here, you can scan the QR code para yung sa immigration mas mabilis. Tapos may QR code din sila for the customs declaration para din mas mabilis. Kasi kami, nag-fill up kami. And then now we're with Sir Sean of Tokyo Concierge kasi ako pala, hindi pala kasama si Mikey. I booked our hotel transfers with Tokyo Concierge. So super bait nila. And paglabas namin, nandito na kagad si Sir Sean. So super duper happy. And he's Pinoy, guys. So in case gusto nyo ng like driver or tours na Filipino yung magtutour sa inyo para mas mabilis and mas madali, Tokyo Concierge. So ayan, let's go na to the hotel. Hey guys, so we're outside and ang lamig, ang sarap. It's like aircon on steroids. Aircon on steroids. But parking pa lang, ang saya na. Paano naman to? Ano?
Guys, tingnan nyo, oh. 85 grams of protein in 22 calories.
Hindi mo naman nababasa yan.
Grabe dito.
Hindi mo naman.
Healthy to. 85 grams of protein in 22 calories.
Anong pangalan?
Sukaki. Grabe no. Protein.
Okay guys, so we're here in the hotel na. It's 3 p.m. Sakto, ang layo pala talaga ng Narita Airport sa like city proper ng Tokyo. Another option is you fly to, ano pa nga yung isa pa? I forgot the other one. Pero papa-flash ko na lang dito. Mas malapit daw yun sa city. Pero sobrang konti lang ng flights doon. Tsaka medyo mas mahal yung flights doon nung chinek ko. Tapos very limited yung time na meron. But anyway, we're staying here in Mitsui Garden Hotel Gokom or Kokome. I'm not sure paano siya i-pronounce. Itatanong ko mamaya. But this is already the standard na queen size bed. And in true Japan fashion, it's quite small. Ayan. So, Ginza area to, guys. And sabi sa akin na less crowded here in Ginza area kasi most of the tourists are in Shibuya. But I would say na, okay, acceptable naman. Acceptable! And then, nandito yung mga luggage natin na walang laman. So, dyan muna sila. So, this is the bathroom. Very small lang siya. But, makakagalaw ka naman, at least. And then, there. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on makeup lang. Tapos, we're gonna explore Ginza area yung sa may shopping. Tapos, I wanna get matcha. My first matcha of the trip. And i-charge ko muna kayo kasi low-bat na. Wait. Okay, so this is our hotel, guys. Nasa may Ginza 6 ata kami. If I'm not mistaken. And then now, we're gonna go to the place na may masarap na tonkatsu. Pero it opens 5 p.m. So, we have an hour. Baka mag-convenience store na lang muna kami papalipas. Kasi medyo heavy yung food na yun. So, we'll follow this first and see. Let's go.
Loving that you're a patina. Year-long evergreen is amazing. How we're getting better with time. Yeah, we've been
Okay, Suzy. So, we're here in Tonkatsu Marushkini. Sobrang lapit niya lang sa hotel. As in, nagulat ako. Nandito na kagad kami. But it is currently 4:12 p.m. And parang nagsasara siya after lunchtime. Nagsasara siya. Then dinner it starts at 5 p.m. But I have been seeing this on TikTok. Kaya talagang pumila na ako as early as now. And meron din kami kasabay na iba. But parang per seating kasi 6 lang yung pwede. So, pipila ka talaga. Kanina daw 2 hours yung waiting time. So, let's see. Thank you. Sarap, super. Wait lang. Si OA mo naman. Sabi sa'yo eh. Tiwala ka lang sa listahan ko eh. Okay guys, so we are done eating. That was really, really good. As in, medyo gets ko, ba't siya pinipilahan ng ganun. Though sa TikTok sabi nila na medyo overrated, merong mas masarap. But to be honest, for someone na hindi naman local, that was really good. So now, we'll pass by 7-Eleven lang. I'll get dessert para lang. convenient in Japan. Sila ate, everyday nagaganito sila. Any of the egg sandwich, masarap daw talaga. Yan. Oh my God, this is what I want. Pwede rin ito. Let's have dessert, baby. Yeah. Ang tigas niya. Ayaw niya makrack. Oh my gosh. Ayun. Creme brulee, pero sobrang frozen kasi. Okay, let's walk. Oh my gosh, babe. Do you wanna go here? Komeo.
Colegio de San Juan.
Komeo. That is the vintage store. Yay! This is really where I want to go. Yeah! Yay! First purchase. Oh, so comfy! Yay, we made it! Gio!
Your camera cost?
Huh?
How much did your camera cost?
A little over $100, maybe? Yeah. No, not really. I need to plug it in. So you're supposed to, yeah. Maybe just once a day. Yeah. Sure. Okay, so I'm done shopping in GU. Puro panlamig lang kinuha ko, guys, kasi ang dami ko pa din namang damit. And then Mikey went to Uniqlo. Ako naman, I'm on the way to Brandoff. It's like a vintage store. Kasi wala rin naman akong iba nang titingnan. I could go somewhere to buy pang straighten ng hair. Pero kasi katamad eh. So, mag-vintage store na lang tayo for the experience. Ginza is really like a very luxe place. So this is Brandoff. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Ang cute nila talaga. Sobrang friendly. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ito guys, so nakita ko lang. So it's like shine muscat mochi. Tapos si Mikey nandito sa may mannequin, bumibili ng yun, kung ano man yung gusto niya. Okay, good morning guys. So today is, hindi na pala good morning, good afternoon. So sabi ko kahapon, magmamatcha ako as early as 9 AM, but I slept in, woke up at 10:40. Yung isa sabi mag-gym. Pero nung nagkaroon ng inconvenience, hindi na nag-gym. So, hindi ko nakasalanan yun. But, we are going to Shibuya today. That's why this is our fit. Very street style. Ayan siya. This is our fit, guys. And thank you so much to Kate and Jacob of Rich Boys. I think this is one of their newest releases. Itong parang motor racing jacket. But anyway, that's the plan today. It's quite cold. Let's go. Let's have matcha first. We're gonna go to Cloud Club. And then, we will go to Shibuya kasi naisip ko baka sobrang matao sa Gyukatsu. And look at my boyfriend right here na very, babe, sobrang young mo ah. Patingin niya yung fit check mo. Eh.
Wala alam na matanda ako dito.
Naka-shorts. Mamaya pag nilamig to, di ko na lang alam. Okay guys, so dito kami kahapon kumain yung first meal namin. Si Tonkatsu Marushiki. Dito sa tapat niya ng street, nandito si Cloud Club. So, ang daming good reviews ni Cloud Club for matcha. So, let's line up kasi nakita ko meron ng pila. Okay guys, so I'm currently in line and honestly it's been 20 minutes siguro or more. But I'm willing to wait. Kasi sabi nila, masarap na talaga tong Cloud Club matcha na to. Si Mikey, nandun siya, parang may pancakes place. Nauna siyang tawagin. So sabi ko mag-breakfast na kasi honestly nagugutom na. Medyo mabagal yung line dito kasi talagang hand whisk nila. Tapos parang they prepare it talagang one by one. Patience is key. Patience is key. Wala ako nun minsan. Diyos ko po. Pero anyway, let's go. For the love of matcha, I'm gonna wait. Pag ito talaga hindi masarap, i-report ko lahat ng nag-TikTok na masarap to. Okay guys, after almost siguro 40 minutes, I got my premium matcha latte. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Totoo, hindi ko nalang maintindihan mag-Tagalog ko.
Ang sarap. Hindi siya super creamy. Hindi rin siya super grassy. Gitna lang. And hindi siya yung nakaka-dry. Alam mo yung feeling, yung medyo astringent ata. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung term ko. Yung mga ginagamit nila about matcha. Pero masarap siya. It's a perfect balance. Di siya umay factor. And I think they use around 8 grams of matcha. So, don't choke. Hindi ko na ito titigilan, guys. Ganun siya kasarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. But I'm gonna reserve it because I have pancakes pa. So, let's try the pancake. Ooh, that's fluffy. Ang airy niya. Ang sarap. Like, even without the syrup, masarap siya.
Talaga? Akong addict sa pancake. Sisi, parang na eh.
Ano, madali na kasi gawin yung regular pancakes.
One day, I'll take a trip to Paris. We'll travel the Pacific with you.
So, I got foundation. Ito, reco siya ni Thea. Kasi apparently, yung ginagamit ko pa ng foundation is masyadong maputi for me. So, I went to Guerlain and got yung foundation na laging ginagamit sa akin ni Thea, which is the Terracotta Glow daw. Tapos, may tax refund for cosmetics dito sa Matsuya.
What's up, guys? We are in, ano ba to? Train station?
Ayan, Meiji-Dori.
Ano to? Meiji-Dori. Meiji-Dori.
We're going to Hachiko.
Hachiko.
Mig. Para sinisipon na ako. Actually, sa totoo lang, G-jeeps ako eh. Pero parang wala mapupuntahan. Shucks! Uy, grabe yung tao sa Shibuya. Oh my gosh. Saan si Hachiko? I can't see. Ayun! Si Hachiko, guys! So, we're here in Harajuku. We're gonna go Cat Street ba yun for the vintage store finds. Medyo na-overwhelm ako sa Shibuya, guys. I think masyadong kalmado yung Ginza na na-overwhelm ako sa Shibuya. Andito yung friend namin, si Andres. And he's gonna help us also navigate through Shibuya and dito sa Harajuku. Si Andres, guys, he's part of the Banyo Boys ni Mikey na community from when he was doing YouTube. Ever since we met him online, taga dito talaga siya sa Japan. So, it's nice to see friends na we met also through work lang. And then now, we get to meet them in person. Ayan, sila dalawa ni Mikey. Okay guys, so we're still here in Shibuya and we're gonna walk to Omotesando for the vintage shopping and I gave up. I actually got shoes, 2 for me, 1 for my sister. Pero cute naman siya. And suot ko na yung isa kasi nga, guys, I gave up on the boots. Medyo sumasakit na. Okay, we're here in that street kung saan si Amor Vintage. I just see this sa vlog, so I'm very, very, very excited. So I'm walking to Brand Collect. Lahat ng mga malalapit na lang na vintage stores, pinupuntahan ko na kasi sayang nandito na din naman ako. So far, based on my experience, ang mahal pa din. Like, kunyari sa Amor Vintage, mura pa kung bibili ako sa mga resellers sa Philippines. So, medyo mahal. And then, selection-wise, parang wala akong masyadong nakita ng mga gems na gusto ko na vintage. Yan, malapit na ako. I saw this sa TikTok. Meron daw dito, The Row. So, hopefully, may makita ako. Ayun, si Brand Collect. Okay guys, so this is Cat Street. A lot of people were talking about it kasi parang shopping street din siya. But true enough, nandun si Casanova Vintage. I wasn't able to vlog na kasi I'm also trying my best to get clips for like TikTok. And ayun, mayroon ako nakita na isa. Pwede naman siya. It's just that in person pala, it's not as pretty. So, I didn't get it. So, it was the Louis Vuitton na basta yung shiny na leather. Ayun, it's not as pretty pala in person. So, right now, we're gonna walk to Kura Sushi. That's where we'll have dinner. And, ayun. Sad lang kasi most of them, they really close at 8. So, sadness. Okay, so we're in Anchor. I wanna buy a power bank kasi mas mura dito for sure. Anchor Heaven. I love Anchor. Kahit yung mga cord nila, guys, you need to get it. I love it so much. Ang dami mo kasi atang in-work.
Mag-limit siya. Antay lang tayo. Pagdating niya pwede.
Ah, pag dumating na.
Mali ko may limit pala dito.
Nakalimutan ko sabihin. Ikit. Oo. Itadakimasu.
So sinasabi niya yun before kayo kumain?
Yeah.
Ganun daw guys. Gaganon.
Naadamin niya. Ay! Ay!
Itadakimasu.
Naglalakad ko sa time mo. OA. Call him OA. Ayoko, baho.
Drag mo, you need to try. Go try.
Baho, bro.
Babe, go.
Baho,
So,
bro.
go na, kaya mo yan. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Uy, uy. Sabi niya pa, me, I'm gonna try. Gusto niya eh. Sabi ko, wag na. Ganun lang siya. Parang ano, by chance. Ayan ang Omotesando at night. Very peaceful. Pero kanina, sobrang wild. As in, nagulat ako sa kawildan niya. Kawildan! But anyway, we're walking back now. We had so much food. Sobrang dami naming nakain kanina sa Karu Sushi. Karu ba? Tama ba? Since super dami. Tapos guys, imagine, yung plate ng salmon na nigiri, 150 yen. So, wala pa siyang 75 pesos. Tapos, dami naming plate, sobrang dami. May dessert pa, umorder pa ako ng mga wagyu, umorder ako ng mga fatty tuna. Tapos yung bill namin, nasa 5K lang. Tapos 4 kami. So, sobrang sulit nun. Sarap niya. Super. But anyway, we're walking na and then train going back to the hotel. That's basically it for day 2. I think I'm gonna go to Don Quixote later para makabili ako ng pang straighten ko ng hair. But I think my first ever Don Quixote experience, I'll TikTok it. Kasi ang hirap ng dalawa. Ang gagawin ko, pa-familiarize ko yung sarili ko with the Don Quixote para pag time na mamili ng pasalubong, memorize ko na siya. Anyway, that's it guys. That's it for day 2. See you tomorrow! Tomorrow is an exciting day. Good afternoon guys. So it is our 3rd day here in Japan and late start. Super! This is probably the latest start to our day. It's already 1:30 p.m. Kasi guys, dapat Chukiji today. Pero what happened was, I slept at 4:30, si Maggie mga 2 a.m. And hindi kami nagising. Like, nagising ako 11 na. But okay lang kasi parang it's still Sunday naman. So, ayoko ding ma-stress about it because we do have a lot of days pa. So, today I figured what we'll do is we'll have lunch in Yoshinoya para mas malapit. We'll go to Sugamo Street for the matcha. And then after that, yung dinner namin this time, sure na to, sa Gyukatsu Motomura na para talagang matry namin siya. Kasi I figured if pumunta kami now, madaming tao. Because it's a Sunday, it's in Shibuya. I'm just waiting for Mikey and then let's go. But this is our fit for today. Very pink, very cutesy. O, diba? Ta-da! Anyway, let's go to Yoshinoya. Okay guys, so we made it here in Ueno. We are going to Gyukatsu Motomura. So it's 2:01 na. So I'm really hoping na konti na lang yung pila kasi past peak hours naman na. But this one feels like mas quiet siya na area. Very local. As in, very limited yung makikita mo na parang international na brands kahit restaurants. Ganun. Ayan, McDonald's. 4-minute walk. And then, hopefully talaga, walang pila sa Gyukatsu. Okay, so we're already here. But I'm not sure how long the line is kasi sa 2nd floor siya. Ito siya guys, so sa 2nd floor. And hopefully mabilis lang kasi nagugutom na talaga ako. Nagugutom na ako. Sana mabilis lang to. The food. And then iluluto natin siya dito. Okay. Let's try. First bite. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm a vlogger. Hey, ang cute nito. Go. Do it. Do it. Hey. What a creative mind I have. Oh.
Feeling ko nasa market nila tayo, guys. Nasa market naman talaga tayo. Grabe yung strawberry. Okay, guys. So I was able to get few matcha stuff like chasen, matcha shaker, bamboo, parang scoop. And yun lang, kasi yung kanbayashi na nandun, na matcha powder, is not really my type of matcha. So, I opted not to buy. Kasi sayang din pag hindi rin mauubos yung matcha, tapos medyo pricey siya. So, now I'm walking to Mikey. Dito siya sa ABC Mart, I think. Or sa Haruta. Kasi naghahanap yun ng loafers. Apparently, si Ueno, para siyang Myeongdong na street, tapos puro stores. And guys, so ganyan yung itsura niya. So it's like Myeongdong. Kasi different street, tapos puro stores, kainan ng mga local. Ayan siya. And then more pa dun sa may dulo. Let's try to find Mikey. Okay, so we're back in Shibuya because check lang namin ulit yung nahanap namin na store. Meron silang branch dito. Ito yung parang Myeongdong. Kain muna kami real quick.
Laking tao. First time niya matatry.
Pami chicken.
Kami Chiki. Na-try ko siya kapon. Sobrang solid niya.
No tissue? Honestly guys, since late start na din naman na kami, hindi ko na pinressure na madami kaming mapuntahan. But in fairness naman today, like nabilan ko ng earrings mom ko, pabili ako matcha stuff, nakapunta kami ng Ueno, Mikey, mayroon nakitang vintage store. I wanna rest just because sobrang puyat namin from last night. From tomorrow until our last day, bawal na yung late magising. So, kailangan late din kaming matulog. Ay, maaga pala kaming matulog.
Ito na yung hack ko, guys. Pami Chiki. Mukha ko yung egg sandwich. Ooh! Diba? That is the hack.
Sorry guys, hindi ako happy kasi hindi ako fan ng mga chicken fillet na medyo mamasa-masa sa loob. Yung medyo oily sa loob. Tapos lumalambot yung breading. Anyway, yun lang muna kasi palobat na ako. See you guys in a bit. Yay! Nahanap ko rin siya. If you know me, you know I love my tech stuff. So, baka lang naman. But again, just like what's been happening, if I don't need it, I'm not gonna buy it. Is this my happy place? Cameras everywhere. Whoa, digicam. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Me and my love for cameras. So you can see the quality. Ooh, vlogging cam. Ang galing, ang dami. Yan o, Osmo, DJI. Ooh, that's me. Panasonic.
Yo, iisa yung picture, pare-pareho.
Ang cute! Yun! Hey, got a white mic, guys. Si Mikey bumili ng mic mini kasi lagi niyang hinihiram yung sa akin. E minsan kailangan namin both. Hey guys, so it's 8:30 and wala nang katao-tao sa train. Kami na lang. But we are going back to Ginza. So, tingnan nyo. Was it a good day?
Yeah!
Yun.
Jacob Elordi dreams.
Jacob Elordi to the highest level na si Mikey. Yoshinoya na lang kami. Tapos, sleep. Maaga kasi bukas we're going to Disney Sea. Okay, see you guys later kasi lubat na din yung aking Osmo. Ang sarap. Dinner!
Dinner in Mega Mall. Yoshinoya. May adang kami ng Toy Kingdom.
Ay.
Wow!
Ayaw kasi maniwala eh. Okay, good morning, Suzies. So, it is currently around 8:30 a.m. It's the first time we woke up this early. I actually woke up at 4:30 a.m. Di na ako natulog. Nag-start ako ng prep ng mga 6. And then I had to shoot content kasi. So, may deadline ako today. And look, I'm using my new mic that I got from Big Camera. It's the white one na DJI. So when you actually buy this, guys, may charging case siya pero maliit lang. And then this one kasi, if you have the transmitter ba yun? Or yung kinakabit sa phone, pwede na. And then if naka-Osmo ka, i-link mo lang siya and then you're good to go. But agenda natin for today is actually Disney Sea. I decided na hindi na kami sasabay dun sa entrance shenanigans. Dun sa gulo ng entrance nila kasi I saw na parang by 8:30 parang ang daming tao sa entrance. Saglit lang naman, like papasok mga 15 minutes. Pero parang ang dami lang tao, ayokong sumabay. And my sister said na last year when they went here, ganun din yung nangyari. Parang they went a little late lang, mga 10, 10:30. Tapos, okay lang din naman nakapasok agad. Like, bearable naman yung situation. Bearable naman daw yung ganap sa loob. So, no use to come in early unless you really want to ride everything. But, ayun. This is our fit for today. I decided to wear something with a pop of color. Denim on denim with red. But I'm wearing my new shoes. It's the Sambas na cheetah? Hindi cheetah. Ano ba to? Basta yan yung parang animal print. I'm hoping na kayanin ko yung lamig. Kasi naka-cashmere lang ako na sweater sa loob. Pero medyo warm naman siya. Yung sa legs, we'll see. Nakapantalon naman ako. But let's eat breakfast first. Let's go. Okay, guys. So, sabi ko, naka-cashmere naman ako na sweater, tapos naka-pants ako. Ending, mukhang bibili akong heat-tech pati pang baba. Kasi yung lamig. Expect ko na mas malamig sa Disney Sea. But I don't know if it's because ang aga pa, 8:30 pa lang, ganun. Kain muna. Then mag-decide ako kung bibili ako ng heat-tech. So, since sobrang haba ng pila sa Hanon, we're here in Roar Coffee. I got honey and mascarpone. Mascarpone. Sobrang surprising yung bread. Yung honey stars, ganun na ganun yung lasa, guys. Let's try the coffee. Sarap siya. Let's try the matcha. Ay, matcha. Haha, gusto ko na ng matcha. Mochi. Ang liit lang. Mahal na.
Oh, mahal. 500 pesos yan.
Hindi.
300.
Kailangan sobrang sarap nito. Tapos yung naka-display pa nila, ang laki. Di ba? Let's try.
Sarap? Galing.
Sobrang sarap ng strawberry nila, guys. Pakita mo yung sa'yo.
Sarap ng mango.
Tamis?
Oo, hindi. Sakto. Peach mango pa iba.
We're here in Disney Sea. Nag-Uber na lang kami kasi puyat ako. Tapos medyo sumasakit na yung ulo ko. But we're here. It's another Disney World or something.
Let's go! Second na natin to, no? Third.
Second.
Pala.
Cry for no reason why, but you know all of the ways to make me smile, and I'm sure that you made for me. I just want you with no space in between. I can't live without my tangerine. I pick the perfect one, yeah, I know. You got me feeling all these emotions when you're right here next to me. It's so evergreen. I'll be with you till your weekend knees, my sweet tangerine.
Okay guys, so just an update. Hindi namin kinaya ang Disney Sea kanina. So what happened was, we got there a little early, mga 10:30. And then sabi ng sister ko, mag-expect na nga na like walang fast pass or madaming pila. Pero wild talaga yung kanina. Like, alam ko that you need to go to the app. Tapos dun ka mag-check ng Premier Access or like fast pass para dun sa mga rides. Pero guys, walang available na fastpass, walang available na Premier Access kasi feeling ko maxed out na lahat ng time slots kasi per time slot siya. Tapos, pati yung mga food stalls sa labas, pila, yung mga bilihan ng mga pampasalubong, like mga merch, hindi rin pwede. Dapat may standby access ka. So, parang pass din yun na hindi rin available sa app. So, if you were to line up, minimum is 120 minutes per ride. So, medyo time-consuming and sobrang sakit na kasi ng likod ko from all the walking. Honestly, uminom na ako ng gamot. So, sabi namin, maybe next time na lang kasi feeling ko na sakto na super dami talagang tao. Like, nanghihinayang ako dun sa time na mag-wait kami. So, we're here in Asakusa and I wanted to try the different like snacks and food here. So, nag-order kami nung unagi na parang onigiri, which is mamaya pa. And then, while walking, meron dito yung Tokyo Curry Pan. Sikat din to. Supposedly malayo siya, pero parang may store siya dito. So, ito siya guys. Mainit siya. So, let's try. Init. Ang harap. So we have Asakusa Unana. Harap. Mahirap na kainin. So this is milk flight. Sarap.
Yan.
Ang sarap ng gatas. This is from Yamanaka Farm, Yoichi County. Mild flavor and smooth drinkability. Sarap. Magkakaiba sila ng lasa. Ang galing. Sarap. Ang sarap ng gatas. And then we also have their Hokkaido milk soft serve. This is the best soft serve daw. Hokkaido milk soft serve.
Hindi nga. Good job.
I like this one. Ayun na hinahanap ko guys, yung mochi. Oh my gosh. So this is red bean mochi. Cheers. Okay. Guys, So guys, kanina nakapunta kami ng ABC Mart. Finally, if ka-size ko kayo, size 8.5, 9, gano'n. Go to ABC Grand Stage. Kasi doon kayo makakahanap ng size nyo sa Uggs. Finally, nakahanap ako ng brown. After how many Uggs branches, doon lang ako nakahanap guys. Imagine, sobrang dami kong pinuntahan. Lahat Uggs, ABC Mart, Atmos, lahat na pinuntahan ko. Shibuya, Ginza, lahat yan. Tapos doon lang ako nakahanap. Doon lang ako may size. Tapos sobrang swerte pa na 2 of my top 3 styles, meron akong size. So, ABC Grand Stage sa may Ginza sa harap ng loft. Yun. Doon may size. Talaga nga namang grand stage sila. So now we are walking to ramen restaurant na nakikita ko several times sa TikTok. So sabi masarap daw doon. Okay guys, so ang galing kasi yung order mo, bayad ka muna doon sa harap, may pipindutin ka. Pili ka ng ramen mo. And then, pagpasok mo, bibigay mo yung stub. So mag-aantay ka na lang talaga ngayon. And they made us try the soup. And ang sarap din niya. Ooh, guys. That.
Ramen.
Tapos may bowl of rice.
Ramen.
Let's try the soup first. Lasang-lasa mo yung parang pagka-roast or pagka-grill nung meat na ginamit. Ang sarap nung meat. Sarap, guys. So, yung fish, ang ginagawa nila, i-grill nila, i-dry. Tapos gagawin nilang yun yung base ng broth nila. Kaya pala ganun yung flavor ng soup nila. Okay, good morning, sissies. We're here na sa area ng Mount Fuji. We woke up early today. So we have a tour with Tokyo Concierge, guys. Kasama namin today is one of the owners, si Sir Kervin De Gia. And I think we picked the best day to go to Mount Fuji kasi guys, sobrang full bloom niya. As in, super kitang-kita siya today. And ang lamig dito ngayon. Ayun, that is today's agenda. I think we're going to certain tourist attractions and then after that, we're going to Gotemba Outlet also. So hopefully today is my shopping day. Shopping day! Pero ayun, we're here. Hindi ko lang sure kung saan ko siya mapapakita. Pero sobrang full bloom niya talaga, guys. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, yan yung bundok na yan. Yan yun. Ayan. So, walang nakakover sa kanya na clouds or fog or anything.
I get lost looking in your eyes, a little shook up at the sight of you. It gets me every time. And when I'm swimming against the tide, you're throwing me a line.
Sa Mount Fuji, nagpakita siya. Usually daw, pag nag-wish kayo ng pakita sa Mount Fuji, nakatotoo.
is my food, guys. Yakiniku set. Rice, salad, soup, the yakiniku. How's yours?
To close the open space, forever on with you. We'll roam through the rest of all our days.
Okay, Suzy, so we're here in Gotemba Premium Outlets, and this is my type of theme park. Charot, hindi to theme park, outlet. It was a 45-minute ride going here. Medyo malayo pa siya from Fuji, but definitely mas malapit siya sa Fuji kaysa sa cities. But let's see what we find here in Gotemba.
Don't know what you're thinking, but I'm melancholy on a Saturday night. The chandelier's gleaming, but it's not the same without you by my side. So can you just get in a Uber, say you're on the way?
Okay, so we're here in Hokuto Sukiyaki. Wala silang English menu. So, tinanong ko na lang yung server paano mag-order. Sina ko yung mga pictures. But Sukiyaki is a good choice now kasi medyo malamig. But ayun, bakit naman may isang garapon ng salt dito? Oh, I'm so excited. I want Sukiyaki. Ito na siya, guys. So, ganyan siya. Wait daw 5 minutes, tapos lagyan ng sauce. Lagyan, sugar pala to, hindi asin. Sugar, tapos we can eat na. And then I ordered udon para lang may carbs. Alright, good morning, guys. So today,
Afternoon, kapal mo.
morning
good
11 pa lang. 11 pa lang. 11, so morning pa din yun. But good morning, guys. And we're going to have breakfast. Breakfast, pancakes lang. And then later, we'll go to Sugamo for the matcha. I really want to go there na para makabili na ako ng matcha powders. Kasi tomorrow, I wanna focus on buying pasalubongs and lahat ng pasabays. Later, we'll have dinner with Sir Nico sa Shibuya. And yun, I think our last 2 days here are pretty chill. Kasi medyo alam naman na namin yung areas. Ay, hindi pala tomorrow. May Chokiji pa kami in the morning. I'm still thinking if we're gonna go to a park or dun sa Team Labs for the sensory experience. Pero di kasi bet ni Mikey yun. So, we'll see. Pero for now, let's have breakfast. Medyo late start to the day because ang sarap talaga matulog dito sa Tokyo. And also, I waited for Trizzy to effect. Yeah, this is our fit for today. Biggest thanks to Kate and Jacob of Rich Boys. Kasi guys, itong jacket ko, this is from their Safari collection and sold out na talaga siya. Like, wala na silang stocks at all. Pero, ginawa nila ako just because hindi ko siya chinek out kagad. Sabi ko kasi, nung nilaunch nila to, mainit-init pa sa atin. So I was like, I'll check it out na kapag malapit na yung Japan trip. O, di ayun, na sold out. So, paggawa na lang. So, I guess this is custom. Wow, custom. But, ayan, thank you so much, Kate and Jacob. This is my Rich Boys Safari collection na parang suede bomber jacket. And okay talaga yung mga outerwear nila for like fall or winter kasi keeps you warm naman talaga in fair. Actually, kakabukas lang ng halos lahat kasi 11:30. Most of them open at 11. Napakalamig. Oh my gosh. Also, i-share ko lang guys. Medyo weird kasi in the morning, like till noon, ang lamig. Tapos, the past 2 nights, paggabi, medyo mainit ng very, very light. So, like, nagbabawas ako ng outerwear paggabi. Kaya in the morning, nilalaban namin yung 2 layers. Okay, Suzy. So, may waiting pala dun sa pancake place na pinuntahan namin. Parang meron pang 12 people in front of us pa sa line. So, sabi ko, puntahan na lang muna namin tong Onitsuka kasi meron gusto ipabili yung dad ko. And they always get a free pass when I travel. Yun na ang pasalubong Tapos, eto guys ha, syempre, pag by this time na-upload to, wala na. Baka nabili ko na or nasa kanya na yung pasalubong. Nagtanong ako sa family GC, anong gusto niyong pasalubong? Kasi meron na sister ko, meron na si mommy. Silang dalawa na lang ng brother ko. Sila niya sa GC, tapos after 1 minute, dinelete niya. Piniem niya sa akin. Kasi malalaman ng mom ko. Malalaman ng mom ko. Kasi sobrang hilig ni daddy sa shoes. So hopefully meron dito siyang size. Bili na muna tayo ng pasalubong habang may time. Okay guys, success. Medyo natagalan ako dun. I think that was a good 40 minutes in Onitsuka kasi sobrang daming tao. Pero sobrang sinwerte ako dun sa SA. Kasi sobrang bait niya. So mas napabilis nung nagtanong ako sa kanya kasi nakukuha niya kagad. So I got the Kill Bill for my dad. And surprisingly, I also got it for me. Kasi parang ang ganda nung kulay. And since nandito na din ako, di ba, might as well. Wow, might as well. I'm gonna walk back to the pancake place kasi feeling ko, turn na namin. Nauna na si Mikey. It's time to eat. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're done sa Happy Pancake. It was really good. That was really fluffy. Pero compared to Ginza Cafe Hanon, mas gusto ko pa din si Ginza Cafe Hanon. Yung second day namin pa
Champo
lang.
lang yun eh.
Sobrang sarap nun, pero yung waitlist niya hanggang December na. So medyo wild. Oo, parang ganun. Kasi walk-in, tas walang tao, wala masyado nakapila. But now, kami ay magkakanya-kanya. I am going to Sugamo to try and buy the famous matcha powder brand. And I'm going to document it sa TikTok. So puntahan nyo na lang guys sa TikTok kasi mas magpo-focus ako sa pag-film doon. And then Mikey is going to explore Ginza by himself and go to the gym. Tapos balikan ko siya dito later after Sugamo. So di ko na siya pipilitin mag-matcha shopping with me kasi di naman din niya bet eh. So, di ba, ganun talaga. Kailangan nating tanggapin ang mga gusto at ayaw ng isa't isa for this trip to work smoothly. Pero ayun. Now, I'm gonna go to Sugamo. Ito na yung train station.
Bye.
See you later!
Good luck to me!
Okay guys, so I gave in and got my perfume. So I'm here in Lalabo and para lang sa last 2 days, meron akong mas-spray na bagong scent that will remind me of Tokyo. So I got the Santal 33. Though favorite siya ni Mikey, I got the 15 ml for me na lang. Tapos papakustomize ko. Okay, I'll put Sizzy just because. Sizzy and I want the heart 17. Pa-tax-free natin para sulit.
Tax-free from the...
So, i-claim mo pa daw yung tax-free guys dun sa counter nila. Yes.
33 and the 50.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're in Omotesando na now. And I wanna get the famous na Lux Lobster Sandwich. And then after that, we'll see if alin yung mas malapit. Kasi parang different direction si Hatoya Matcha and si Menchirashi. So si Menchirashi, sikat din siya na udon noodles and they have like udon carbonara. Basta masarap daw yung udon doon. Kaso yung problem doon is yung line. So hopefully, pag chinek namin siya, pag pumunta kami doon, we can get like reservation for 8 p.m. Kasi dapat 8 p.m. pa kami. But if not, we'll see yung pila. Let's go. I'm gonna get sandwich first kasi gutom na din talaga ako. We're here. The lobster roll, large.
Large size?
Yes. And Coca-Cola Zero? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. We had to get matcha guys. Sarap. We got matching glasses. Look.
I need a perm, guys.
We're here in the Little Bakery and it's super nice. Katabi lang siya ng Menchirashi. So with Menchirashi, medyo mabilis yung line nila. So sabi namin, later na kami para pagdating ni Sir Nico, complete na kami. Tapos they take the orders kasi nasa labas ka pa lang. So mag-coffee muna kami and snack siguro, donut to try. Tapos we'll go back to Menshirashi when complete na kaming tatlo. So, see you guys later!
Ang sarap ng sabaw.
Okay, so it is 10:47 p.m. and bumaba kami sa Shimbashi Station kasi mas malapit siya doon sa Don Quixote sa may Ginza. So Shimbashi kasi is the next station to Ginza, so malapit lang. Hindi na ako nag-Google Maps kasi meron ditong alam na daw niya yung papunta ng Don Quixote. Baby, are you from Shimbashi? Dito kasi siya guys nag-gym. Kaya memorize, is this your turf?
This is my home gym.
It's your hometown. Tara! We're here in Don Quixote. Sobrang liit niya lang, guys. Ito daw, maganda daw to sa hair. Wait, I'm gonna check. Okay. So, ito daw yung maganda. Ito guys, sobrang sarap nito. As in, this is my favorite here. Hello, Sizzies! So, today is our last day here in Tokyo. Last day na natin, babe.
I know, last day no. Balik kami
Reason.
next week.
Sin gusto na talagang bumalik ni Mikey. But anyway, wala pa kaming specific plans for today. I just know na kailangan ko dumaan ng New Balance for B-Boy's shoes. And then, Donkey ulit later for more pasalubongs kasi kulang pala yung nabili ko kagabi. And then, what else? Actually, meron pala akong listahan. Because, you know, kailangan natin ma-accomplish lahat. Wow! Ma-accomplish lahat. And then, we need to buy gifts lang. And then, I want to pass by, well, sa Donkey meron na neto. And then, some pasalubongs for Sam and Daniel lang. But, it's 10:20. It's quite early. I am so sorry, guys. Hindi nakasama dito sa vlog natin ang Chukiji Market because ito yung nangyari dyan. Number 1, ang aga ni Chukiji Market. Number 2, lagi kaming puyat dito kasi sinusulit namin yung gabi. Nagdo-donkey kami, puyat kami from all the walking around sa gabi. Yung time para makapag-Chukiji kami, di talaga siya nagtutugma. Kasi guys, you need to be there by at least 7:30 daw para mauna ka sa pila ng mga breakfast. Ayun, feeling ko naman, nasulit naman namin yung food. So, iiwan ko yung Chukiji Market just so we have a reason to come back. Reason to come back, akala mo naman talaga, Nepo baby siya na anytime pwedeng bumalik. But ayun, Chukiji Market di pa namin nagawa, pero I'm very happy with the food that we were able to try din naman this trip. So, feeling ko, kahit na meron tayong kulang, okay pa din. Kasi medyo napuno ko naman ng different food. So, halika na babe, let's go! Ayun na, nilalamig na siya, so pumasok siya. We're here guys. So, medyo mahaba yung line niya kasi it goes all back. Like, to the back. So, dun siya hanggang dulo. Okay, so I'm guessing na this will be a 45 minutes to an hour wait. But buti na lang, medyo maaga din kami kasi they really open at like 10. Okay, so change of plans kasi may line diba sa labas. Tapos pagpasok mo, nakatayo ka lang din dun sa loob. And it's already 11:22. As much as I want to wait, may mga bagay na pwede naman nang skip dahil last day na. And I really want to make the most out of my last day. So medyo mas impatient ako today. So I'm sorry guys. Tapos what I did, nag-search ako sa Google Maps ng nearest breakfast places na meron din pancakes kasi si Mikey, he really loves pancakes. So, I try to give him that dahil dami ko na din naman talagang ganap in a day na gustong gawin. So, compromise, di ba? Now, we're here sa Roasted Coffee and I saw that they have pancakes here. They have coffee as well. So, dito na lang. Pancakes ang naman. Di naman gets ni Mikey kung ano yung difference sa mga pancake. But he's already here. Pinauna ko siya para if walang pila dito. Pero kung meron, edi he will just wait also sa flippers. But wala eh. So, let's go. Ito, maple bacon sandwich. Oh, this is the tomato and mozzarella. Ham and cheese. Matigas kasi scone. Let's try. Hindi lang siya fluffy pancakes. His turn. Pamili na kami ng pasalubs and gift. All for matcha! Grabe naman tong papunta na to sa matcha place. Na para bang taga dito kami. I really wanted to go to Hatoya Matcha kasi parang one of the best matchas daw in Tokyo to. And it's in Shibuya. But this part of Shibuya is parang dulo-dulo na siya ng Shibuya. So, medyo malayo siya ha. Like from the place kung saan kami nag-breakfast. 15-minute walk. So, malayo-layo siya guys. But dito mo mafe-feel. Like, ang cute na itong neighborhood kasi very local siya. Ang cute. So, it's supposed to be here na. Hatoya. Uy, parang walang tao. Sana true. Hindi na yung kasama ko. Medyo local yung scene dito guys ha. It's this one. Kita ko na. Here. Hatoya.
Matcha.
I'll get number 3. Iced latte, please. The sticky rice bowl. The matcha ice cream. So frothy. Sarap. Okay, Sizzies. So, if you can see the background, it looks familiar again because we are in Omotesando. Kasi, dun sa mga napuntahan ko sa Shibuya, wala dun yung specific shoe na gusto ng brother ko. The nearest to Shibuya station is Omotesando. So, we're going to Atmos kasi hopefully, doon meron talaga. Yung napuntahan ko sa Shibuya, yung mga ABC Mart, tas wala sila nung specific shoe na gusto ni B-Boy. So, we're walking to Atmos. Sakto din kasi malapit sa Atmos yung gusto kong kainan. Yun, actually wala naman na kaming last minute shopping ni Mikey. Puro pasalubong na lang. And it is already 2:11. So, hopefully, mamaya we can spend the night na lang in Ginza. Since magpapak pa kami mamayang gabi. Yung transfer namin tomorrow will pick us up at 5:30. Again, we booked it with Tokyo Concierge. Ayun guys, if you need airport transfers, you can book with them as well. So maaga kami tomorrow, kaya dapat mamayang gabi for the empacking na talaga ang mga person. Kanina when I passed by Mega Donkey sa Shibuya, daming tao. So sabi ko, since snacks na lang naman na yung kulang ko, I'll just go to the Don Quixote near us. So, ayun, tara, let's go. Let's go. Oh, ba't tayo nandito?
Bilis. Itanong lang ako kung pwede. Can we do walk-in? Yes, sure. Sit down here. What do you want? Mount Fuji. Okay. 20,000 yen. Okay.
Magkano yun?
Mura lang naman.
Magkano?
7K.
Okay guys, so kakatapos lang namin sa tattoo shop kasi nagpatattoo na naman siya.
Mount
Ayan
Fuji.
guys, Mount Fuji.
Pero dumudugo siya, so hindi mo siya ma-appreciate.
Actually, kagabi niya lang naisipan na magpa-tattoo kasi nakakita siya ng tattoo shop. And then, since he got one in Korea, he figured na dito din. Tapos yun nga, since nagpakita sa amin si Mount Fuji, very sentimental kay Mikey yung nakita niya si Mount Fuji. So, pinatattoo niya. I mean, di mo na din naman na talaga mapapansin. Kahit naman din anong sabihin ko sa kanya na, wag na. Ano naman tayo magagawa? Kung gusto niya, edi gusto niya, di ba? It is what it is. Anyway, let's go. Kakain na kami. We'll go to Red Rock, Harajuku. Reco siya ni Aliana. Sabi ni Aliana, dun daw masarap ang steak. So let's try yung mga steak dito sa Japan. Thanks for the Reco, Aliana.
Ano si Liana ba?
Sabi niya, must try dito at MCCC.
Sabi mo to, Liana.
We got the Japanese black meat. So we're back in Ginza. It's 5:57 p.m. If there's anything na gusto pa namin puntahan, we have 2 hours kasi everything closes at 8. But so far, we're good. We're back to the place kung saan kami unang nag-night snack nung first day, which is dito sa Mannequin kasi for the waffles. Mamaya magdo-Don Quixote ako kasi kulang pa ako ng pasalubong and may kailangan pa akong bilhin na pasabay ni Mama Ike's. So, ayun. Si Don Quixote naman kasi guys, 24 hours yun. So, okay lang na medyo late tayo dun. But, I'm still thinking if there's anywhere that I wanna pass by. Pero parang wala na. I'm good na. So, nandito kami sa Mannequin guys. Ito. Last time I had the plain waffle. Now, I'm gonna get the waffle with soft serve. Because ice cream is life. Yeah, I got the plain waffle with soft serve. Bye-bye, Tokyo. Of course, Sir Sean of Tokyo Concierge. You sad, love? You sad?
Hatid lang ito eh. Nababa ko lang yung bagahe mo. Nag-apply na ako ng trabaho dito.
Hello, Suzy. So, dito na kami sa airport and nafe-feel mo ang sadness ni Mikey Reyes. Charit. But we're already here. It is 7:20 something. Tapos kakain muna kami ng Gyokatsu Kyoto Katsugyu before we leave. Kasi gusto talaga namin kumain like authentic Japanese food, hindi lounge food or whatever before we leave. Kasi, syempre, feeling ko the next time we'll be in Tokyo specifically is next year. Siguro pag may mga nag-aya na friends, tapos kapag may nalibreng schedule. But, honestly, nag-enjoy naman ako sa trip na to. I love the food here in Tokyo. The only thing na siguro hindi ako fan is the waiting. But everything naman na pinilahan namin was worth it. So sige, give ko na. Pero masarap din talaga yung food nila. Shopping was okay din naman. I didn't go hard this time. Sobrang bait ko guys. Kung alam nyo lang, sobrang bait ko talaga. Like if I was me months ago, kahit di ko kailangan. I mean, kahit alam nyo yun, basta matuwa lang ako, baka binili ko. But ngayon talagang ang bait ko. Kasi ang daming gastos. Before we left, syempre bumili pa kami ng van. Tapos, ang daming gastos. So, sabi ko, pagbalik ko sa Manila, Christmas season naman na. So, gastos ulit. So, di ko nasasabayan. Ang importante sa akin is nakabili ako ng matcha powder, nakatry ako ng mga food na gusto ko, and also, after the 11/11 baliwan, nakapagpahinga ako. So, yun talaga yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa trip na to is nakapahinga ako. And sobrang grateful ko din sa mga brands na kausap ko recently for my current projects. Kasi parang hinayaan lang din nila ako na magbakasyon. Yung mga deadline ko, yung mga due. Though, na-communicate ko naman yun na pagbalik ko na. Pero yung mga follow-up, maano sila? what do you call it? Basta they're just aware na I'm vacationing. So, yun. Pag may kailangan talaga follow-up, nagsusorry pa sila, ganun. So, nakakatuwa din na kahit papano, I get to work with brands that are really considerate. So, what else? What else did I enjoy from this trip? The weather, of course. I super loved the weather. Sobrang saya ng weather dito kasi ang lamig. Tapos palamig din siya ng palamig. So, in case you guys are traveling to Tokyo soon, make sure na magdala na din kayo ng heat tech. Kasi may mga days na kailangan namin mag-heat tech kasi ang lamig na talaga. Take advantage of the yen kasi sobrang baba. Like, 1 yen is 0.38 centavos lang na pesos, Philippine peso. So, take advantage of it. Bring cash kasi sometimes kailangan mo din ng cash, especially when you ride the train. I suggest you guys get the Pasmo card, especially if babalik-balik din kayo ng Japan. Para siyang yung octopus card sa Hong Kong. You can also use it to pay for convenience stores, for restaurants. Minsan nga sa mga mall, pwede din yung Pasmo or like IC card nila. Just enjoy. But biglang naging advice. Ako talaga, in-enjoy ko talaga siya. Bakasyon mood. And for sure, kailangan nyo lang i-prep yung sarili nyo na when you go to Tokyo, ang dami talagang tourist. And nung kinausap namin sila Sir Kervin and sila Sir Sean, even si Andy, yung friend namin na dito na talaga based, yung ganun na kadaming tourist, normal day na sa kanila yun. Everyday ganun. Wala masyadong Sunday vibes dito or weekend vibes kasi tourists are everywhere. Ako, I suggest you guys download also pala Table Check, Table Log, yung mga reservation system nila for restaurants para lang hindi kayo mahirapan, especially if nag-aalaw sila ng online reservation. Take note that most of them open at 11 and then they close at 8. Ganun talaga yung sistema nila, guys eh. Tapos, ayun, ang saya-saya niya. Si Mikey, sobrang na-enjoy niya. So, I'm really happy that he gets to enjoy countries like this. Kasi may mga country siya na happy naman siya, pero hindi siya para bumalik agad. Kasi siya gusto niya next week babalik na kami agad eh. So, just means na sobrang nag-enjoy siya, guys. And of course, kay Mikey, sobrang grateful ko kay Mikey kasi very game siya this trip to walk with me, to my matcha stuff. Just like what I mentioned, siguro, di ko alam kung masasama yun sa earlier part of this vlog. But if you're traveling also with your partners, with your loved ones, it's always a matter of making each other understand. Like, paano nyo ba nakikita yung traveling? Kasi kay Mikey, ang traveling is very slow lang. Slow life. Like, ganun, may time siya for the gym, time to have coffee, time to work. And hindi rin naman siya yung malista ng mga gusto niyang puntahan. So, may bet siya, sabihin niya, tapos punta lang kami, ganun. And then for me naman ako, meron akong itinerary na kahit hindi naman siya sobrang strict na time itinerary, gusto ko lang talaga mapuntahan ko lahat na nasa itinerary ko. So, before I leave Philippines or Manila, meron na yung listahan. So, ayun, make each other understand na lang kung anong type of traveler kayo. And also, try your best to meet halfway. Regardless kung, okay, first half of the trip, ako muna, and then second half, ikaw. Or in a day, ano ba yung schedule nyo na mag-work for you guys. Ayun lang naman, ang saya. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Sana I was able to capture Tokyo. Wow! Ano ka? Videographer, chalet. Pero sana na-enjoy nyo din yung vlog as much as we enjoyed Tokyo. Ayun. Ang saya-saya talaga, guys. Saya-saya. Gusto kong sabihin, babe? No. Say something.
Okay yung Japan, guys. Japan is the best.
Japan is the best. Anyway, that is it for this vlog. But, ayun. And next month, we are going to Korea! Okay, so yun na. Sinabi ko na yung next trip ko kasi na-share ko na din naman sa broadcast channel na binigyan na ako ng multiple entry to Korea after 3 visa applications. Then, next vlog will be Korea. So, see you guys!
Can't get you off my brain, tell me what the hell